Good morning guys, welcome to another video. This is Russ, also known as Wix BMW, and here we have two amazing cars. We have the BMW F30 and the BMW F80. Starting off, this is a 2016 F80 M3, so it has the competition package. I'll go over both cars in a second here, but just a quick little walk around on the car. This is the Austin yellow M3. I picked it up from Texas and drove it back. This is the new addition to the family. And then we have the notorious booger car, 2016 BMW 328i F30 chassis here. There's a lot done to this car. So the original color is black. I did wrap it with tech wrap. Just look at that side profile. Absolutely stunning. Alright guys, so we'll start off with the price difference. So the price difference on both the F80 M3. So the F80 M3 is around $60,000-$70,000 for a used one right now. I got mine for nowhere close to that. I got mine around $40,000. This car has 40,000 miles. The F30 right here, you're ranging at about $12,000 to $20,000, around that range. Stock, obviously. This car has a lot of modifications to it, and we'll go over which one is the best option for you. If you're in the market for an F30 or F80 and just want to know the difference, you don't even need to be in the market. I will go over everything you need to know in this video right here. Alright guys, so the F80 M3 is by far the best looking M3 BMW has to offer. Just look at it. It speaks for itself. The wheels, the front end, the rear end, everything about this car is absolutely stunning. The F30 has to be the best entry-level BMW as well as affordable BMW. There's so much you can do to this car, so much potential, so much knowledge you can learn from this car itself. So what I've done to the booger car is I put a carbon fiber hood, the wrap of course. We painted the wheels black. I did get rid of the old bronze wheels. It was a bronze and green combination. We have a carbon fiber lip, carbon fiber grills, yellow headlights, yellow calipers. A lot of the stuff I've taken off from when I first had the car. I plan on selling this car, so if anyone's interested in buying a 328i, this car only has 46,000 miles, so it's pretty good for the year. We have a PSM carbon fiber spoiler. Same one I put there. We have a custom diffuser, custom side skirts. So the interior of this car is very nice and luxury. It's made with Sensitech, which lasts a lot longer. And the steering wheel, non-M Sport steering wheel. It's not my favorite steering wheel, but it's pretty comfortable. Has Bluetooth. Look at the interior, super modern, super nice looking for a 2016. The back seat, since it's an M3, has 4 doors. Amazing. One thing I did put is I put M3 side skirts and I put M3 fenders. You guys see the M logo? I didn't put the M logo because it's a 328. M2 front bumper, very unique, very one of one. Just wanted to do something very different with this build. Just comparing, the rear fenders don't have a wide body compared to the M3. I'll show you guys the difference. You guys see that fender? How wide it is compared to this? It's very flat. Compared side profiles, look at that. The fender on this just brings the whole car looking super nice and aggressive. The fender and the fender. This one does have the M3 logo. Amazing. Since this is a competition, it comes with the 666 wheels, my favorite wheels BMW has to offer, as well as the M Sport calipers. You see how big and aggressive these are with the blue. These are little tiny, comfortable calipers, but for the car, it's a quick car. It's not a fast car compared to the M3. The driving experience and the drive, I didn't think would make such a big difference. But after owning this car for almost 3 years and this car for almost 2 months, I noticed the difference instantly. Let me show you guys the interior of the F80 M3. You guys can see the M Sport steering wheel here. Whoa, what the heck? We have a bug. Oh shoot, it's a beetle. The M Sport steering wheel, the interior looks very familiar. It has the same wood trim. We have carbon fiber here. The seats are very different. So I have the half cloth, half leather seats. And since it's a competition, it does have holes for weight reduction. And same with the F80. Since it's an M3, it has 4 doors, which means extra space in the back, extra company. Look at the back end. The back end of the seat's amazing. The F80 M3 also has the M Sport caps. And the rear end, this used to be on the Booger car, the roof spoiler. I transferred over to this car. And we had a carbon fiber PSM diffuser here. Carbon fiber honeycomb PSM wing we just installed. And you guys can see the honeycomb effect. That looks crazy. Just look how aggressive this car comes from factory, guys. There's not much I did to the car besides the carbon fiber pieces. The wheels came from factory. Just look at this hood. This hood is super aggressive. We also put the carbon fiber grills on this car. Absolutely amazing. So just popped open the hoods for you guys. We'll start with the M3 coming from factory, 444 horsepower with the competition. Super noticeable when I step on the gas. This thing goes. And the turbo lag, I do notice a little bit of turbo lag, but when the turbos kick in, this car does not stop. This car is something else. Look how compact the engine bay is. So much potential. Look at the V-brace and carbon fiber. The engine bay looks absolutely stunning with the M-Power. So BMW put an S55 engine in the F80 M3. Coming in with the F30, they put an N26 BMW motor, which is a 4-cylinder twin scroll turbo engine in this car. This is not a fast car. This is a very quick, zippy car, and I recommend getting this car as a first entry-level BMW. One of the best cars, most reliable cars that I've ever owned. I've had this car for 3 years. I've had 0 issues with the car. Look, I put VRSF charge pipes in the car. I put an MST cold air intake, catalyst downpipe with no tune, and with all these mods, which is really not too expensive, it changes the whole drive of the car. You guys, I just cannot get over the rear end of this F80. The M3 notorious logo. The M3 has so much history, so much heritage behind it, and the fact that I own this car means so much to me. It's been my dream car for so long, and I can't believe I have it. Going from the F30 to the F80. The crazy thing is both cars look very similar, a lot of same features. This car has the sunroof, this car has the sunroof. I did originally want the carbon fiber roof on M3, but the deal I got for this specific car, I could not pass up. I was willing to sacrifice for the sunroof, but I plan on wrapping the car, and it's gonna look really cool putting the wrap and making it all one color. And I want to know, should I keep the competition wheels? Should I put some BBSs? Let me know down in the comment section below what I should do. So just a side-by-side comparison on both cars. The front end, the F80 is a lot wider of a car compared to the F30. It's a lot thinner. I didn't even know this was a thing, but after looking at it side by side, honestly the back end looks very similar. The only difference is the M3 bumper is a lot more aggressive than the stock base model 328 bumper. The diffuser is making it look pretty aggressive, but it's the one side exhaust. This one has the dual exhaust systems on both sides. We're in the BMW F30 right now. We're gonna take it for a quick spin right now. Make sure everything's set up. The steering wheel feels very light, very precise. Put in paddle shifters, get you guys some manual mode action. Quick little pull. Are not the fastest car, but definitely for the price point you're getting this car, it's a very good. Put in sports. The car wasn't even in sports yet. We'll do the test again. Little turn. The car feels very planted. Launch control. Pretty fast. Alright guys, we're in the F80 M3 now, and the steering feels super stiff on this car. Already past 60. We already passed 60. Oh my god, guys. This car is absolutely insane. It's a bone stock S55 on the F80 M3. And this car brings so much life and happiness in me already. Like, what the heck? If you guys are wondering if an F80 M3 is worth the price, every time you guys step on it, you guys are gonna have the biggest smile on your face. Hitting this corner so much faster than the F30. When those turbos kick in, guys, it has a little bit of turbo lag on the DCT, but when those turbos kick in, the car is not gonna want to stop. Launch control again, guys, on 3. 1, 2, 3. You guys, if you guys can notice the difference from the camera, how shaky it is on the F30 to this car, the DCT is very, I don't recommend for an everyday car. It's a very aggressive, I wouldn't say comfortable car, but you definitely will get the fun, the fast, the aggressiveness. If that's what you're looking for in an everyday car, the F80 M3 is for you. One thing, this car is very scary to drive. If I hit a corner going pretty fast, the car's gonna want to kick out. It's not like the F30 where it's planted. Like, just on that pole right there, I saw my traction control off. Damn, guys, I can't believe it. This has been one of my dream cars, and the fact that we're going from an F30 to an F80, there's a big difference. I know looks wise, there's a lot of similar options, similar aspects, but there's a lot of difference at the same time.
Wait, I don't think I was recording the whole time.
So to wrap up the video, I want you guys to think about what is more important to you guys. More comfortable, more zippy car, a lot more fast. The F80 M3 is a very, very aggressive car. If you guys saw, super responsive, super scary in the right way if you know how to handle it. But the car is dangerous, I will give it that. The F30 is very quick, very planted, and honestly, like, for the price you're getting this car, you have everything you need. The luxury, the looks, the fastness, the speed. Like, there's so much potential to make this car your own, as well as the F80, guys. The F80 M3, if that's what you guys are looking for, there's so much potential as well. Like, look how little mods, like cosmetic mods, changed the car look so much. Or this car is lowered on springs. I do want to get springs on this car, and I feel like it'll change the way it looks and feels dramatically. So I'll keep you guys updated. If you guys want a more thorough review on the F80 M3, I'm gonna give it to you guys in the next upcoming videos. I have a lot planned for the M3, a lot more parts on the way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.